You are literally one decision away from a new life, okay? From what it is that you actually desire, but you have to take the opportunities that are right in front of you. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Let's get it. What's going on? Awesome party peeps. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And I need to just bring this really quickly regarding decision, okay? You are literally one decision away from a new life, a different lifestyle, a different way of life, a different way of doing things. That thing that you've been praying for, the thing that you want, like one decision away, always. A lot of times when I talk to people, especially high performers, we get caught up in the research. We get caught up trying to figure out, is this thing worth it? Is this going to be the next big opportunity or big break? And instead of taking the jump, the step that's right in front of us, I say jump about everything because literally jump first. Why not? Okay. Try it. My dad is always an advocate of this. He's like, you try it, you don't like it. Okay, cool. What's the next thing? Like, move on to the next thing. But sometimes we get caught up over analyzing, over researching, or asking other people. I talk about this a lot because it's so true, especially with entrepreneurship and high performers, right? We get up over asking other people what it is that they think about what it is that we're doing. And I just need to bring this real quick for somebody. You are literally one decision away from a new life, okay? From what it is that you actually desire, but you have to take the opportunities that are right in front of you. I have gone to different retreats and masterminds and all these things. And I got to hear Myron Golden talk about this at one retreat. And he was talking about what the power of decision really is about, like what decide is about. And this also came up for me earlier today. I was reading my Bible, and I think I was in the Bible app, and it was about the word decide once again. And so decide means to cut off. That means like to cut off different things, like past things, cut off regret, cut off indecision is also a choice too, right? Like when you're not making a decision, you're also deciding, okay, to stay where you are, or you're deciding to move forward. It just depends on what your decision is going to be. And so I always bring this encouragement, like whatever it is that you want to do in life. And this comes again, my mom has always been supportive and encouraging too. My dad has really drilled into my head, you know, that you should always try. And over my life, like it's been anything that I ever wanted to do, whether it was playing the violin, playing basketball, like my parents were always so super supportive. And so, you know, it's just trying. So if you want to write the book, write it. Okay. It's just as simple as deciding that you're going to do it. If you're going to continue to sit in the indecision, like that's where the cycle is going to repeat. Okay. Swifty Love, what's going on? I appreciate you. Hello. It's going to continue to repeat. So just remember that when you're not making a decision, you're still deciding. You're deciding essentially to stay where it is that you are. You're deciding not to move forward. And I don't really, in my opinion, these days, I'm a person like I take risks, a lot of risks, okay? Because from the risk comes either a lesson, all right, or I'm moving either way forward in the direction that I want to be, because now I know what not to do anymore. And so I refuse to sit in indecision. I refuse to go back and forth for very long about what it is that I'm supposed to be doing. Wealth requires speed. And I'm not just talking about financial wealth. I'm talking about every kind of wealth you can imagine, okay? The abundance, the prosperity that you desire, it requires your speed. It requires you to make a decision and move forward with it. You got to make the decision, line up with it, move forward, okay? And what I mean by line up with it, your heart set, your mindset, right? Everything, just line up with the decision that you made and move forward. And whatever the consequences are, they could be good consequences too. I see everything as positive. Like, again, even if I'm not getting what it is that I want, it's a positive thing because there's forward momentum in making a decision, lining up with it and moving forward, okay? What's going on? Is it Kristen? Hello, Kristen. Hello, Zillin. I like your name. I hope Zylan or Zillin. Let me know if I pronounced it correctly. I think it's Dylan with a Z, right? I like your name. Awesome sauce. I also like Kristen in the way that that's spelled as well. And so I just needed to bring this. There's like so many things, and I wrote this down because it's for somebody. I don't know what your goal is right now or what it is that you're looking to do. You know, this channel is really about courses. I love it. And also entrepreneurship, inspiration, all those things, which by the way, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit it. Okay. Hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification. So you know when more episodes like this drop and we can continue spreading this message out to the rest of the world. I'm going to read the things that I wrote because again, I don't know what your goals are, but I know this is for somebody. And if you're watching this, then it's probably for you. Okay. So if you want to write a number one best-selling book, decide and do it. If you want to be an international speaker, decide and do it. If you want to travel the world, decide and do it. If you want to release the pain, the hurt, the anger from your past, decide and do it. If you want to pray more, decide and do it. Okay. If you want to forgive someone, decide and do it. If you want to read more books, decide and do it. If you want to exercise more, decide and do it. If you want to spend more time with your family, your friends, decide and do it. If you want to meet friends who are more aligned with your goals, decide and do it. Remember, deciding and lining up with it, okay, and doing the thing. If you want to relocate to a new city, state, or country, decide and do it. Just decide and do it. You are literally one decision away from your new life. Again, I don't know who that was for, but whatever your goals are, line up with it. Decide, okay? Line up with the decision that you make and just go for it. Go do it. And if you want to create a course, decide and do it, of course, okay? Shameless plug, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you can go to get started. There's a free training over there. It takes 30 minutes or less to go through it. Free resources as well as paid. And if you decide, all right, that this is something you want to do, you line up with it, then continue through that training, and you're going to have an opportunity to schedule a strategy session with me where I'm going to walk you through exactly what it looks like to launch your course in 30 days or less. Okay, you can do it. You just have to decide and take the next step. I love y'all so much. Pass this on to somebody else who needs to hear it today. Happy Friday to you. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see y'all back here next time. Bye, y'all.